Welcome children in bio class. I am going to teach you gel electrophoresis. What is gel electrophoresis and for what purpose it is used? Electrophoresis is a technique for the separation of enzymes, proteins, amino acids, nucleotides, and nucleic acid on the basis of their net charge in an electric field. In the gel electrophoresis, two types of gels are used. First is agarose gel and second is polyacrylamide gel. Agarose gel is used for the separation of medium and large size nucleic acid molecule. Polyacrylamide gel used for the separation of proteins and purification of enzymes, or it is used for the separation of DNA fragments which are differing by few base pairs. Children, you have to know gel is a solidified to form a solid platform with a number of sample wells. For DNA isolation, genomic DNA is extracted from the tissue or the cell. It is digested by specific restriction endonuclease enzyme. It means the DNA or genomic DNA which has extracted from the tissue or the cell, it cut into many fragments by using restriction endonuclease enzymes. So after cutting, the cleaved genomic DNA fragments are of different size. The sample containing mixture of the DNA fragments is loaded in the gel, and after loading, an electric field is applied on the gel. The charged DNA fragments start move through the well. Their movement is their movement is inversely related to their size. The larger of heavier segments remain closer to the site of loading, and smaller or lighter DNA segments move away. So as the electric field is applied, then a smaller fragment of DNA are lighter and they move away, but larger segment of DNA are heavier, they remain closer to the site of loading. So in this way, DNA fragments of different size are separated and in the form of bands on the gel. So this we can see in the figure also. Here in the first figure, this DNA which have taken from the cell treated with restriction endonuclease enzyme This has taken in the test tube. So when it is treated with endonuclease enzyme, it will cut into many small fragments. So like this, large number of fragments are formed. Some fragments are smaller in size and some fragments are larger in size. And this is the agarose gel. So there is agarose gel plate. Now it is loaded. So by using this special dropper, the fragments of DNA is loaded. After loading, in the next step you see there electric field. For the separation, electric field is applied. So when electric field is applied on the gel, now DNA fragments start to move. DNA fragments have negative charge. They move towards the anode. So from the well they start to move to, and which one is the smaller? They move faster, and which are the larger fragments? They move slow. And after that, we see in the third step here, smaller fragments or shorter fragments have moved away, and there is a smaller one have moved away, but larger one remains close to the well. So there is DNA fragments are arranged according to their size. Bigger ones are above and smaller ones are below. So this is the separation of DNA fragments using agarose gel. Agarose gel is used as a separation medium.